Hello everyone, welcome to part 2 video Cs. In this video we're going to be talking about how to use the endpoints that we just learned how to create in regards to groups. So we're going to be adding users to a specific group once they sign up into your software account. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to list the groups in a repeating group. This should not take that long. We're going to focus on those two endpoints because the other two endpoints that we covered, the delete and update, they're similar to what you learned in the subscribers endpoints. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to go back to the sign up page. We want to find in the MailerLite, we're going to add subscriber to a group. The subscriber ID is the result from step 1 ID, and the group ID we can do it two ways. We can go here to the integrations page and get the group ID from here. So in this case they will be going to the onboarding. The second option that you can do is you could have option sets that have all the MailerLite groups, and you can add the data there and then reference these options in your workflow. Let's take a look. So here we go to get option, MailerLite groups, and the option that we want is the onboarding, and then you close and you want the group ID. That's another way that you could do it if you don't want to do it manually. Then you can update in one place the group ID, and you don't have to go back and figure out which workflows you will have to update. It's up to you. It's personal preference. I personally like this option using the option sets more than writing it manually, so we're going to leave it at that. What this is going to do is once the user signs up, a new user will be created in MailerLite, and that user will be assigned to the specific group that you just added, and then it creates the account and redirect them to the dashboard page. The second thing that we're going to do is we're going to go to the dashboard, and here in the overview what we're going to do is this is just a copy of the subscriber repeating group that we had created before. So first thing that we're going to do is we want to list all groups on the body data for MailerLite, and we want to list all groups. Let's clear this and let's do this from scratch. And we want to list all groups body. Maybe I'm getting the wrong one. Let's try this one. Yep. All right. Here we listed all the groups, and now we should be able to see those groups here in the repeating group, which are all the groups that are down here created. There are 5. As you can see, I did something wrong, and what I did wrong is that I didn't change this information. So it was, while it was pulling the information, it wasn't displaying it. Let's say active count, and now we should, yep, now we have all 4, well actually we don't have 4, we have 5 groups, so we're going to change these to 5 rows. And now we have all 5 groups, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5 groups. They're displayed here. From here you could update or delete them. You could also create new groups if you have a button for that with the appropriate workflows. We're not going to do that right now, but there you have it. This is just an example on how to use these workflows. If you have any questions, please make sure you leave them down in the comments below. I read every single question and I try to reply to all of them within 24 hours. If you are not following me or subscribing to this channel, please do. It would be an honor to have you watch my future videos. Lastly, please leave a comment and let me know what I'm doing right or wrong. That helps me put out better content and produce content that is useful for you to help you achieve your goals and learn bubble. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.